Ready to upgrade your home in 2025? We've tested the smartest gadgets, from lights to locks, to find out which ones truly make life easier. Stick around to discover the absolute best smart home device this year. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit. Philips Hue has long been a leader in the smart lighting space, known for quality and innovation. The Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Smart Bulb stands out as a top choice thanks to its versatility and ease of use. It offers a full spectrum of white light and vibrant colors, letting you create the perfect mood for any occasion. This particular kit includes the Hue Bridge, which unlocks the full potential of the system, like remote control from anywhere, automation routines, and syncing with music or movies. While the initial cost is higher, the bridge allows you to expand your smart lighting system by adding more Hue bulbs over time. You can also control the bulb via Bluetooth, making it convenient to get started even without the bridge. Number 2. Nest Thermostat. Nest has solidified its reputation as one of the best smart thermostat brands on the market. The standard Nest thermostat is a sleek, minimalist device that's easy to install and control through the Google Home app, making it a great choice for anyone new to smart home tech. It's designed to help you save money and energy by creating more efficient schedules and adjusting temperatures automatically based on your habits. Many users also benefit from rebates offered by power companies, making it even more cost-effective. An added bonus is Nest Renew, a feature that gives insights into how and when your energy is being generated, helping you make smarter, more sustainable choices throughout the day. While it lacks some advanced features of the Nest Learning thermostat, it's a reliable and budget-friendly option. Number 3. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. When choosing the best smart lock for your home, reliability, security, and remote access are key, and the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock delivers on all fronts. With built-in Wi-Fi, it lets you control and monitor your door from anywhere, no extra bridge required. This means you can lock or unlock your door remotely, check the lock status, and even grant temporary access to guests right from your smartphone. It also features auto lock and auto unlock, so your door can automatically lock behind you and unlock when you return. Perfect for when your hands are full or you simply forget. Installation is easy too. It works with your existing deadbolt, so you don't need to change your keys. It's a seamless and secure upgrade for any modern smart home. Number 4. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. These days, securing your front door is about more than just locking it. And the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus adds an extra layer of peace of mind. Ring has built a reputation for making some of the best video doorbells, and this model is no exception. It offers live video access anytime, smart motion detection, and a pre-roll feature so you can see what happened just before any activity is triggered. The standout wide-angle lens captures a full head-to-toe view, so you can see both the visitor's face and any packages left at your door. Plus, with wireless installation, it's easy to mount and perfect for renters or homeowners alike. Whether you're home or away, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus helps you stay connected and secure. Number 5. Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop. Cleaning floors can be oddly therapeutic, but let's be honest, it's also time-consuming and easy to miss spots. That's where the Roborock Q Revo steps in. This smart vacuum and mop combo comes with a powerful base station and is packed with intelligent features that make floor cleaning effortless. It maps your home, avoids obstacles, and can even handle multiple floors, making it ideal for larger spaces. Like other top-tier robot vacuums, it supports custom scheduling, no-go zones, and voice control via Alexa or Google Home. Whether you want to clean up after dinner or tidy up before guests arrive, just tell it what to do and let it handle the mess. With the Q Revo, your floors stay spotless. No manual effort required. Thanks for watching this video.